We've just acquired this Ford Focus. It's the ST line Sports. It's in absolutely superb condition throughout. Finished in glacier white. It's got satellite navigation. It's got rear park distance control as extras. Boot area is in absolutely immaculate condition. It's got the ST line interior with the red stitch piping. It's done 59,956 miles. It's got the sync, climate control, USB point, satellite navigation, back to home, full entertainment system there as well, got DAB, and we've got Bluetooth connectivity as well on there. Okay, 6-speed gearbox, multifunction steering wheel. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.